Have you ever heard of a book where the author is Allah, and one of its chapters is named just for you? Not for kings, not for warriors, but for the woman, her pain, her rights, her strength. This isn't fiction. This is Surah An-Nisa, the chapter of women. And once you understand it, you'll never look at yourself the same again. Let's be real. The world loves your face, but ignores your soul. They talk about women's rights, but behind closed doors, too many are silenced, controlled, told, you're just a daughter, you're just a wife, you're not enough. Even in Muslim societies, culture sometimes drowns the voice of Islam, and you're left asking, where is justice? Where's my worth? But Allah already answered, 1,400 years ago, in a chapter He named for you. When society ignores the commands of Surah An-Nisa, women are left behind. Girls are denied education. Mothers are not respected. Wives are used, not cherished. And what happens? Homes collapse. Generations suffer. Hearts break. But when women are treated the way Allah commands, mercy returns. Peace flows. Futures rise. Direct hit Allah doesn't just suggest your rights. He legislates them. Open book. Give women their dowries with a good heart. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 4. No bargaining. No hesitation. Your value is not negotiable. Open book. Do not inherit women against their will. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 19. You're not a possession. You are a person with honor, protected by divine law. Open book. Men are caretakers of women. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 34. Not to dominate, but to protect, to carry responsibility. Because a woman's soul is too valuable to be left unguarded. Open book. Stand firmly for justice, even against yourselves. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 135. That's how much your voice matters. Sister, this isn't just a list of rules. It's a love letter from the Lord of the worlds. It's Allah saying, I see you, I hear you, and I stand with you. You were never created to shrink. You are the daughter of Hawa, the sister of Maryam, the follower of Khadija, the student of Aisha. You carry legacies in your blood. You hold faith in your hands. And you walk with dignity written not by men, but by Allah Himself. So when they try to break you, remember who built you. When they try to silence you, remember who revealed a surah to defend you. Surah An-Nisa is your proof that Islam didn't come to cage you. It came to crown you. So to every woman watching this, speak truth, hold your worth, because Allah already honored you in His book. And before you scroll away, please take a moment to make dua for my late parents. May Allah forgive them, elevate their ranks in Jannah, and reward them for every piece of good you learned from this message. Ameen.